Hey everyone, it is me, America Matt, and today we are unboxing this Hot Wheels 2018 Honda Civic Type R with white, black, and red stripe from HW Rescue 410 with 215 out of 250 with police logo. Fearless and fast to respond. This vehicle saved the day. There's a Honda official trademark and Japanese trademark. Okay, let's unbox this car. One, we have black grille, passenger side, rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. The code says S22, that's the code. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.